I was thinking about something, and something really, really weird happened today. And I'm going to explain what it is really quick in my second video under 60 seconds. Is that there was a roller blade commercial that was on, but it wasn't talking about roller blades. It was all about roller skates. And the gentleman that was talking on it, they were calling him Morpheus. Now, Morpheus, an orphelin, okay, is part of this. The cube. The cube. How can I explain it more than this? What happens to it? You have the left side, you have the right side, and everything that works in the center together. 18 and 18. Everything works in between the second. 36, 36, 72 around the clock. Now, why I'm mentioning this and why I have this like this is because I don't have a shirt on. And I'm not wearing a suit and tie. But YouTube, if you take a look today on YouTube, the 28th of May, which is 528, which is the center, 528. 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 8, 13, 2 by 5 and 10, B and E. B and E equals to B and E, the beehive. 5 and 2 is Earth. 5 and 1, the inside triangle, is Mars. Earth and Mars create Mercury. Is that YouTube is now showing A to Z. The guy who was riding the 1970s and 1960 roller skates, they called him Z from A to Z. So something is happening about A to Z. Now, if you add up A to Z, it equals to 351, which says ace. When you add up A plus Z equals to 27, add 27 to 351 is 378, and that is creation. Okay, can I say the queen is at the gate? 7887 is red October. 78 plus 13 equals to the queen card or the 12 moons, putting all the moons in order today. And they are talking on Nibiru Countdown about how we are in line. And yes, we are, because 8 by 5 is 40, becomes 46 Zion Israel, which is also the reflection of 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 plus 8 is 13, equals to 53. 53 and 72 will both create number 23. 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 and 14 equals to the first 4 numbers in pi. 7 and 2 equals to I9. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. 8 and 8 are 8 and 7 are the same letters. H and I, which creates 17 the Q. 1 and 7 the gateway. 15 and 8, which is the 8 ball and the 15 ball in pool, equals to 23. 14 and 9 equals to the big red dog, equals to number 23. 53 stands for Earth and Jupiter. The high heaven, 8 and 9, which is not. You use 8 and 2 separate from 4 and 6. This way and this way on the cross. The multiplication is 7391 and the addition is 8246. If this is straight, but this is rectangular, showing me the only way to look at this is straight runs 91 low shoe and 73 low shoe, which is actually like this. But in low shoe, 9 is up here, 1 is down here, while 3 is here and 7 is here. So they're showing the opposite side worlds. Are you following me right now? I should be bringing this out and showing you it in paper. How the numerologist, or the creation of numbers, which is so perfect. The numbers are so perfect. Just these numbers over here, 0, or this oval, okay, this is oval, is circling around all this, encompassing this. This 0, which goes all the way around, which 5 is in the center. 5 is in the center to the outside, which equals 40 on the outside. 5 in the center is 45. Since 40 is on the outside, it automatically counts for the left or the right, and the Roman numerals add a 1. Which if it was in the alphabet, when you add 1, you're adding 9. So the Roman numerals that say 40 around, 0 equals 6 equals to 46, plus 5 in the center equals 51. Area 51 and Mars, standing order inside the numbers. It's all right here. What do we want to do? What I can do with the reality of playing with the numbers that will bring you all mathematical equations that will all add up divide, and be equally knowledge to our own minds, because every single word and every single angle of it, the entirety, will always be brought together in reality. And remember, if you're working on one side, it's 180 degrees. Plus 360 is 540, is the IT system. 540 equals 546, the Federation. Split this. Now, I'm going to have to take this off. I'm sorry that I'm not wearing a shirt. I really don't like to do it. The left side or the right side. The east or the west. Here is our two pyramids, up and below. Things are created together. Artificial intelligence. Because I'm skin and alive, it doesn't mean I'm not a robot. Because I've decided on my own. Because I have skin and flesh. Artificial intelligence, animals, humans. There would be no God if there was no artificial intelligence. Because the ruler of artificial intelligence rides in church and on the Bible. I can't explain it, I just know it. CH, take away the U. C and H, okay, take away the U, put in the R. It says in charge. Thank you. Raphael, 7286, in the constellation of Pegasus. What is above is below. That means we waste no time for one brain of I and the other brain of I. Because when you put two heads on top of each other and flip the other one upside down, that's as high as you can go. That states the Queen and number 17, or 1771, which is created. 7 times 8, the Queen, equals 56, plus 7 and 8 equals 15, equals to a total of 71. The left side, 1 and 4 equals 5, 1 and 7 equals 8, 1 and 1 equals 2. This side equals this side. This side here added will equal to the right side, and 258 will equal to the left side. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.